Have you ever wondered why so many young men today feel tired and disconnected? Not just in their bodies, but in their passion, energy, and even their sexual strength. It's not just you, it's happening everywhere. And today, we uncovering the hidden truth behind why so many young men are losing their natural power too early, and how to rebuild it from the inside. Introduction. The reality we in today's fast digital world, young men are facing something new, a quiet crisis of energy and vitality. You see, a few decades ago, men in their 20s were known for unstoppable drive, focus, and strength. But now, more and more young men are reporting low energy, low desire, and short timing in intimate life. Some even feel emotionally cold or disconnected from passion altogether. This isn't just about physical strength. It's about mental health, hormones, lifestyle, and daily habits that silently drain your natural. Section 1. The hidden enemies of. Let's talk about what's actually happening. Digital overload and constant stimulation. We live in an age of instant pleasure, from scrolling social media to watching explicit content online. These habits trick the brain's reward system. Dopamine, the chemical of motivation, gets released so easily that the body stops working for real pleasure, real relationships, and real. Over time, your brain becomes dull to natural excitement, leaving you feeling cold, lazy, or unmotivated. Sleep deprivation and poor diet. Many young men sleep less than 6 hours, eat junk food, skip breakfast, and live on caffeine. But here's the truth. Your testosterone, the hormone that gives you power and desire, is built during deep sleep and proper nutrition. Without that, energy drops. Your body feels older, weaker, and your timing shortens. Stress, anxiety, and mental pressure is another silent killer. When your body is full of stress hormones like cortisol, your natural sexual hormones go down. This means less drive, less focus, and less performance. Not because you're broken, but because your body is protecting itself from lack of physical movement. Modern life has made us sit too much in front of screens, at desks, in cars. But movement is life. Exercise boosts blood flow, raises testosterone, and releases endorphins, your body's natural energy medicine. No movement means no power. Section 2. The real science behind sexual. Let's simplify this. Sexual energy, isn't just about desire. It's the life energy that fuels your mind, confidence, and focus. When your lifestyle, emotions, and habits are unbalanced, this energy weakens. Testosterone, the main male hormone, peaks in early adulthood, but poor sleep, sugar, alcohol, and stress can cut it down by 30 to 50%. Excessive screen time lowers dopamine sensitivity, which means you need more stimulation just to feel normal. Mental fatigue makes your body forget what real attraction and connection feel like. The result? You might look strong from the outside, but inside your system is tired, confused, and running on empty. Section 3. How to rebuild your power. Now, here's the good. Your energy can come back stronger than ever if you start today. Here are 7 powerful steps to restore your natural male energy. Reboot your mind, limit digital addiction, take a break from explicit content and excessive scrolling. Give your brain time to reset. Within weeks, your focus, motivation, and confidence will start to rise. Prioritize deep sleep 7 to 8 hours every night. It's not laziness, it's healing. During sleep, your body repairs cells, balances hormones, and rebuilds strength. Eat like a warrior, not a. Include natural foods like eggs, fish, nuts, fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Avoid processed sugar and energy drinks. They kill testosterone. Exercise 30 to 45 minutes daily, even a walk. Strength training, yoga, or sports improve blood circulation and confidence. Manage stress with breathing and purpose. Stress kills drive. Meditation, prayer, or even slow breathing can lower cortisol and bring calm energy. Remember, peace is. Stay social. Real connection. Family, friends, community keeps your emotions alive. Loneliness weakens both your heart and hormones. Stay spiritual. Energy is not only physical, it's emotional and spiritual. When you live with purpose, gratitude, and discipline, your body naturally supports your. Section 4. The emotion. Let's be honest. Many young men today feel society pressures them to be strong, rich, successful, but no one teaches them how to be healthy, calm, and powerful from. If you feel low energy, it doesn't mean you're weak. It means your body is asking for balance, rest, and care. Don't compare yourself. Don't feel ashamed. Every man can rebuild his power because it was never lost. It's just waiting to be reawakened. Closing message. So, my brothers, if you're watching this and I feel tired. I feel disconnected. I feel like I've lost my fire. Remember that you are not. You're just out of balance. Your body. Your mind can focus. Your spirit can rise. Start small. Sleep better. Eat clean. Move daily. Think positive. Day by day, you'll feel your energy return, not only in your body, but in your confidence, relationships, and life. Because real strength isn't just about timing or power. It's about balance, purpose, and self-respect. Stay healthy. And remember, your energy is your gift. Because when a man controls his, he controls